Hello, this is Danku, I'm Christian, and today we're doing another unboxing of a brand new smartphone. In this video we're taking a look at the Xiaomi Redmi 4. This guy is rocking 5-inch Full HD display, Snapdragon 625, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal memory, as well as an SD card slot, 13-megapixel primary camera, as well as 5-megapixel selfie shooter. Out of the box it comes with MIUI 8 on top of Android 6 Marshmallow. One interesting feature of this phone is an infrared blaster on the top, which allows it to serve as a remote for your TV, for example. As we can see, the phone comes pre-installed with a number of Xiaomi branded apps, and as expected we're lacking an app drawer. This is an attempt to simplify the interface and mimic an iPhone. Here I'm going to give you a quick sample of how the speaker sounds. From my experience, the fingerprint sensor has been really quick and accurate. A feature that I was really surprised to find is when you use the front-facing camera, the phone is using some sort of face recognition software to estimate the age of the person, and it even made me younger. As we can see, this device does come pre-installed with a global ROM and Google Services and Play Store. However, that's not the case for all devices. Make sure you order the correct one, because most of the devices are aimed for the China market and they'll be in Chinese. This actually makes it really hard to get hold of one because there are no official retailers outside of China, so this makes it a bit harder to get one as it is in the UK, for example. You have to admit that for the price, Xiaomi has managed to create a really solid device with a lot of features. It has been a pleasure for me to do an unboxing of this device for you and explore some of its features. Judging from what I've seen so far, I can definitely suggest this device to someone that's looking for a less expensive smartphone. Considering the fact that most new phone releases come with increasingly larger screens, this Xiaomi Redmi 4 with its 5-inch display is a really compelling option for someone who's looking for a smaller phone. It's really surprising to find a phone that's that thin but still packs 4100 milliamp hour battery. To conclude, I can say that I'm more than happy to give this package a thumbs up for its bang for your buck. Thank you very much for watching, and I expect to see you in my next video where I'll be creating an LED lamp for my setup. I'm Christian, this is Dan Cool. See ya! Xiaomi Redmi 4.